Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, it's not engine related. I've got to clean the pond. Here is the pond. As you can see, it's very green. I've got fish in here I need to get out. All these weeds around the back need sorting out. I need to take that tree out because the tree's dead and clean the filter. So yeah, I thought I'd make a video about it. This pond was a project me and my dad worked on a few years ago. Got a waterfall at the back and it looks quite nice once it's all clean. So I start by removing the filter box. I take all the media out and give it a good clean with the jet wash. It's mad how already these little creepy crawlies have made their way back to the pond from the filter. I cleaned it off all over there so we can see them making their way back. By blowing all the filter media across the grass, it helps to get all the muck off of them, and that way they're all gathered in the corner of the garden, so it's easy to clear them up. This tree is the dog's favourite place to go for a wee. That's why it's dead. So I'm going to be removing it and turning it into a little rockery, and then that way hopefully the dog won't see it as a place to go to the toilet. It's not good having dog wee in the pond either, it's not good for the fish. Designing and building a pond is a great summer project. I'd say it's important to have good access all the way around the pond, so that way it makes it easier to maintain. Just to keep the fish happy while they're in the small tank, I've just got a little solar aerator here. I'm using this plastic tank, but on previous occasions I have used an inflatable paddling pool. I now start to drain the pond. Once it's dropped down to a certain level, I'll start taking the fish out. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. This is number 11. A bit better here, it's a ghost star. 16, that's quite a cool one with a black on it. There's another nice ghost here. There's a little baby there, almost slipped through the net. I now start jet washing the pond, getting rid of all the mud, sludge, algae, blanket weed, you name it. Start filling her up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. 7 little baby ones. Put them in. A couple of goldfish. I think there's one more left to get out of the tank, and that's the yellowy orange ghost carp. It's managed to escape the net every single time. He was the hardest to get out of the pond and the hardest to put back in. And finally, there's one here. Come on, swim out the net, not into it. There we go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers guys.